Hello guys, today we'll be talking about how you can retouch this image and then remove all this artifact like this, remove these things, remove these pimples like this, like that, and then we'll remove this. So dive with me into Photoshop. First, you open your Photoshop. This is a file we have been working on. So this is it. You drag the image you want to open and then open it in Photoshop like this. It has opened. So the first thing we'll do here is you press Ctrl J on your keyboard. Press Ctrl J, press Ctrl J again, and then you have that is two layers. Then select this one. You change it to color. You change this particular one to color. This is okay. You come here. You change this one to texture. Under texture, and then you click enter. So now you select this, which is the color. Then you can now hide this one. You press here. You hide it here. And then under this color you come to filter, come to blur here, and click on Gaussian blur. Under this Gaussian blur you can adjust anywhere you feel that there are details. You can click here and then you keep moving this little by little, and anywhere you feel and you discover that the details are beginning to lose off, you click OK here, and then come and on this one so that you can now see the difference between the two. Then select the texture. Now come to apply. Come to this image up here. Under this apply, come to apply image, then click on the apply image like this, and then you see RGB. Select here, come and select color image, come to blending options. Yes, under this blending options, please be careful with this selection. Select this blending option, come to subtract. Under this subtract here, note that your scale should be 2, your offset is 128. Please follow me. If you have any problem, you can also reach me in the comment section. And if you love this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. Then click on OK, and then let's zoom out. You can see here, then come to your normal blending option here. On this normal, click here, then you come to linear light, click on OK, then come back to your color here. You can turn this off, so that you can see the options. Then from here you come to your brush, select your brush. Please note that under this brush here, right click on it, and then you see mixer brush. This is the one we're going to use. Click on it. Under the mixer brush, you come up here at the top right here. You can scale to any aspect you want. For if by mistake your brush is showing this cross like sign, you can press caps lock and then to change it like this to this circular option so that you can see very well. And then note your setting. This is wet 3%, load 74%, the mix should be 92%, and the flow 100%. So please, you can change this depending on how your image is working. Please note that it's supposed to be on clean brush. Click on clean, always on clean brush. Then this should be selected as well. So thank you, and you're now dragging. You can now see how you wipe, you turn around. This you require practice. You can now increase the size of it. If you cannot increase here, you can come here and then increase the size of your brush like that. Look at how you're able to increase. You can brush in such a way you want it to blend with it, so that it can. This is a technique you can learn by practicing. You cannot just look at it and practice along with me. I'll leave the source folder. You can see how it's becoming smooth. Look at it. Can you see how? Let's on this layer so that you can see spot the difference right now. You can see how it's becoming plastic. We are getting to that. We'll also reach to that point as well. Let's turn this off so that we can see clearly. Can drag here. Yes, let's clean from here, this angle. You click on them, drag to this point. Most especially this technique works for the forehead and the cheeks. You can now clean here, clean here, and then you can clean this way as well. Can now clean this way. We're trying to be the brushes, if it's too much, we're trying to see. You can clean this way as well. Please endeavor to clean in the same order so that you can be able to adjust. You can see how you clean in this order. So adjust here. You can clean. You clean like this. Clean at this juncture. Clean here. You can clean. You clean in the same line so that you can see everything that is happening, and then we're leaving this out. So you can now still go back. You can see the cleaning. Please remember the settings. If you forget the settings, please look at how I'm cleaning. I'll reduce my brush to any size that I want by pressing the rectangle below, open and close down to actually scale it to any size. And then from here, let's also blend this down here. We'll blend it. I think it's too much. We'll still select, sorry. Let's blend. We'll also blend like this. We'll also blend. So now come here and then turn it on. You can see the difference, and you can see that the textures are also there. They are still remaining, and then you see how it has been adjusted. So see the difference right now. This is the difference between the image that was there, and then this is what we have achieved. Then next, you can select this patch here, and then come to this clone tool up here. Click on this clone tool, and then you can remember you are on the texture layer. On this clone tool, you can now clone. Hold in your alternate and hold, sorry. Then click any fresh area or any clean area. Select it so that you can now remove all other parts. Please let me do it again. Click on this clone tool. Hold your alternate like this. Look at how it has changed to the circular cross, and then click any fresh area and then take your hand off. Then you can be able to clean out. You can clean out any area free of that. You can now do that simultaneously without stress. Please and please. You can now do that without stress. Do this and make sure see how you can remove this as fast as possible. Yes, but there are still textures there. Can remove it. This is it. Let's adjust. We'll come here to do the same thing. We'll still do the same thing. Yes, continue like that. We are done. Okay, we are removing it bit by bit. Please, this is not a rush process. It requires you to take, it takes time. Like this, you can be removing little by little. Can you can hear the sound of my mouse? Look at how we're cleaning it. This is one way to retouch very neatly. And so we'll do this for everything so that I'm trying to be fast. Look at how. Okay. So this can work for. Okay. Can I clean it up? All right. Now here. Can you see that? Okay. By removing all the white stitch nature, you see how we're able to blend this to this, and then lastly we'll remove this one down here. We'll remove it. So, and we're moving. Please, if you cannot get these settings correctly, remember this settings is for an 8-bit. When you can see here, this is called RGB, this is for 8-bit. So we have come to a simple way how we can retouch an image. This was the image, this is what we have adjusted it. So please, if you like this tutorial, please subscribe so that you can learn something new and we can add your knowledge. Thank you, and I hope to see you at the top. See the difference. One, this is the former image and this is the final image. Thank you, and I hope to see you at the top.